Hey sisters, so you've given your heart to Jesus, but what to do with the rest of you? Now only God's love can transform your heart, but we can give the rest of you a push in the right direction with the Christian Woman Starter Kit. Let your future Boaz know you're the helpmate of his dreams with our stylish drapey cardigan, infinity scarf, felt hat, mid-calf height boots, and of course, leggings. If the Bible ever seems too intimidating to dive into, we also include our Christian Women's Study Bible. Essentially, all it is Proverbs 31, the Book of Ruth, and the rest of the text is replaced by a reminder to ask your husband to explain it to you, per 1 Corinthians 14:35. If you still feel like you need to read more for some reason, this package also includes a book of your choice from either Rachel Hollis, Jen Hatmaker, Glennon Doyle, or if you're not into heresy, Allie Beth Stuckey. We should take every opportunity to share the gospel with others. Almost as important is sharing your love for coffee with cute home decor. So we've included 5% off coupons to Hobby Lobby, where you can find the perfect expression of your own personality, which is entirely unique from every other woman with the exact same sign. Bonus points if the sign mentions God and coffee. Finally, in the Christian Woman Starter Kit, you'll be given the choice between 3 multi-level marketing schemes, business opportunities to join. That's the aroma of friendship. God looks at the heart, but we need to see that you're committed to looking like the rest of us. We're so excited to be doing life with you. Oh, and Jesus, of course.
Order your Christian Woman's Starter Kit today, or if you sign up 8 of your friends, receive your first bundle free.
Wow, that video really blessed my heart, and I hope it did yours as well. You know, the Lord's laying it on my heart to tell you that you need to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell button so you can do life with us here at the Babylon Bee. It's God's will for your life.